Faculty of Energy presents movie about thermal power plant.
The initially developed reciprocating steam engine has been used to produce mechanical power since the 18th century, with notable improvements being made by James Watt.
The very first commercial central electrical generating stations in Poland are also reciprocating steam engines.
The development of the steam turbine allowed larger and more efficient central generating station to be built.
Example of thermal power plant.
Thermal power station is a generating station which converts heat energy of coal combustion into electrical energy.
Advantages of thermal power plant. The fuel used is quite cheap, less initial cost as compared to other generating stations. The cost of generation is less than that of the diesel power station. It requires less space as compared to the hydroelectric power station. It can be installed at any irrespective of the existence of coal. Disadvantages of thermal power plant.
It pollutes the atmosphere due to the production of large amount of smoke and fumes.
First, coal goes into a furnace burner where it's burned. From the combustion, smoke is produced, which escapes through the stacks of the power station. The burner generates heat, which heats up a large water tank known as a boiler. The water that is heated in the boiler becomes steam.
The high-pressure steam goes into a turbine. The turbine has larger bladed rotors, like the sails of a windmill, which, pushed by the steam, rotate at a high speed.
In turn, these bladed rotors activate a magnet that generates the electric current.
The magnet is part of a device known as an electric generator.
Lastly, the steam is separated. Some of the steam is distributed to the surrounding cities and villages via a network of pipes to provide heating. This process is known as the district heating.
The remaining steam cools and condenses into water and goes back to the boiler for reheating. Steam is used for chilling by spraying the pipes which convey it with water.
The water evaporates and is released into the atmosphere through those characteristically large, thick cooling towers that appear to be forming clouds in the sky.
Combustion, steam, turbine, electrical generator, electricity. Unfortunately, the laws of nature don't permit the complete conversion of the fuel's energy into electricity.
Consequently, a part of the energy obtained from the coal is given off into the environment with the cooling water and the flue gas. The task of our engineers is to minimize this fraction in order to conserve fuel resources and generate as little carbon dioxide as possible.
This thermal power plant is a power plant where steam is used to drive a steam turbine. This turbine is connected to an electrical generator.
After this, the water is condensed and may be used again. This is known as the Rankine cycle. There are different procedures that can be used to heat the water.
Thank you for your attention.